Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we've got a bit of a clear up job to do in the garden. In preparation for today's job, we have quite a crammed workshop. Firstly, here we've got our red Bolens 1253, which we'll be using later, and then some of our bigger equipment that we don't use too often, especially not on videos. Firstly, our Case CX15 excavator or mini digger, 1.5 ton, and also our Ride-a-matic TA530 compact tractor, with a front loader and a grapple on the front. Now, our original plan for removing this tree was actually to take it down ourselves and do it on video. However, at the tail end of a storm that hit the UK, it was leaning quite a lot, and this tree was about 30-40 foot tall and probably about 20 foot away from the workshop, and we didn't fancy it going through the roof of the workshop if it fell over in the storm. So we got a professional in, and he felled it, chopped all the limbs off, and left us with a 5 foot or so stump as we wanted. And today what we're going to be doing is clearing all the limbs and hopefully digging out the stump. Now, to show you the tree a bit, you may have seen it in some of our videos, or on this sticker design that we have, you can actually see the tree there behind the 3 Bolens, which that makes this sticker quite rare now, because this picture can never be recreated with the tree not there. And also, quick notice, if you don't have some of these Garden Tractor Boy stickers, then feel free to email us. My email's in the About tab of the channel, and we'll send them to you free of charge and all that. So now I will show you a bit of video of the tree, and I'll put it up there and we'll have a watch of it. First bit of equipment we'll be using is the Ride-a-matic with the grapple for moving the limbs, which we haven't really featured this tractor much on our channel because it's not the nicest of tractors, and the grapple isn't the nicest either. The tines are a bit bent and a bit rusty, and also it doesn't really fit in with our normal garden tractor content. But anyway, back to the job at hand. We've been watching quite a bit of Pale Horse Outdoors, David, who's very good at grappling, so let's see if we've learned anything and try and apply that to moving the limbs. Before we get started, we should probably show you what we've got to move, which is that pile of limbs over there, which is quite a big pile, and we've hooked up the 1253 to a trailer now. And we'll give you a bit of a cold start on the Ride-a-matic. Give us a second. Bit surprised we got that all in one load, but that was quite good. With all the brush cleared and the area as clear as possible, now to go at the stump with the digger, which you can see the stump here. It's got a couple of big roots, so we've put the small bucket on and we're going to try and dig them out. We did optimistically, as we were getting the digger out here, kind of give it a bit of a shake with the digger, and that ain't going anywhere, so that was a bit optimistic. But let's see how far we get with digging these roots out. Making good progress here. As you can see, we dug up a number of roots and snapped some as well, and we were getting quite far, and as the sun's getting lower it became more difficult to actually video, so we thought we would just get on with some more of it, until we had a bit of an issue, which you can kind of see the remains of it there. We had a burst hydraulic line on the digger, which was on the main boom cylinder, so that's kind of halted our progress for the moment. We're back in the workshop now. We managed to limp it back in here. I mean, you can see all the oil around here, and the actual burst is just the other side of this bracket down there. And good news is, I wasn't the one that was driving when it broke. That was Dad. And I was far enough away to not get coated in hydraulic oil, so that was good. Also, that hose was probably quite old, or if not the original hose, so it was probably due replacing anyway, but that is rather brought an abrupt end to what we can do today. So it was good to get all the limbs moved with the Iziki grapple and then the Bolens with the trailer. but the stump will have to wait for another day. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.